Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix Hot 40i, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with blocking the number where you've got currently saved on your contact list, and after that we will go through another option. So let's open your contact list, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it, and then 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on block contact, and as you can see we've got this information. We've got also this characteristic icon next to the photo. So from now on your device will block all incoming calls and text messages from this number. Of course you can unblock it the same way right here just by tapping on unblock contact, but let me leave it like this. We'll check if it will appear on the blacklist. So the second way of blocking the number requires entering the settings, and it does not really matter whether we will be on the recents or the contacts. Just tap on the settings icon in the right upper corner, and here let's tap on blocked. And here we've got filter rules, and of course you can customize them. So for example, block numbers which are not in contacts or unknown hidden numbers just by using the switchers. It's up to you. And the blacklist is the section we are looking for. So this is the number we just blocked from our contact. So as you can see, the previous option also works, and we successfully blocked the contact then. Here we can tap on this plus icon, and here simply enter the number we want to block. Tap on add, and as you can see it will immediately appear on the how's it called? On the blacklist. Alright, so from now on obviously those numbers won't be able to call you or text you, and of course you can remove them from the blacklist just by tapping on this trash bin icon next to it and tapping on remove. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.